So we got to uncover this Farmall Super A and pull it up along the road too, and get some signs out, and that's about it. That's the main thing is, you know, if they'll call the number, and they don't know if they don't see something they want, if they'll call it or not, honestly, but hopefully they will. And, you know, we can always tell them. We got a lot more tractors than what they can see here. I'm not going to pull them all out. You know, just pulling tractors out every day, honestly, takes a lot of fuel. You wouldn't think it does, but it does. So this is my sweetie that I really am fond of, actually. I got her strapped down. You know, and I had her strapped down because this one will leak, you know, water down through the manifold somewhere. And I came out yesterday and the tarp was blown back, and it had rained real hard, so I'm afraid it could be a little down in the manifold. I'm not real sure, but we're going to try and see. Wow, I guess I got them all off there. Yeah, we're going to start it up and see if it blows any out or not, and pull it up along the road as well. And because I didn't have the tarp strapped on the end, normally I didn't need it, you know, but the wind got strong enough, it made it to where I did need it, and I didn't have it. So let me look at this one on the gas situation. I mean, I can see, yeah, I can see the gas. Looks relatively low, but guys, I had it was up to middle tank, and this I did shut off, I'm sure of that. Although you can see it's still leaking, even shut off. And probably been leaking like that for 3 days, I don't know. A drip here and a drip there in 3 days, is that gonna take a ton of fuel or not? Let me get the can rocket off. And I looked for a new sediment bowl gas valve for this yesterday in Rural King, and they didn't have any for Farmalls. All they had in was Allis-Chalmers. That was it. So turn on my switch here. I don't think I'm going to need to choke, but you know what? I will need it. I better open it just because it's been shut off for a week. Other than that, I wouldn't need it. So why don't we make this a long video, guys? Since it's already there, it'll be a long video, and nothing I can do about it. Alrighty. Push her in. That should be enough, I guess. No? Alrighty. Well, let's open her up. Sounds like the battery's a little low in this, guys. You know, I didn't turn on the gas, did I? I looked at it and saw it dripping, and I didn't bother to turn it on. See why I go by Old Man Steve? Daggone, it's getting ridiculous. It is. Yep, it's turned off. So is the stinking Alzheimer's creeping up on me, I guess, you know. So yeah, then we got a lot of run. I'll get her out here in the light though and look down in that tank and see how much is it down really. You know, trying to look and hear it. I'm gonna have to find one of them fuel gauges to put in there like I saw at that one place I looked at a Super A. Yeah, I got a lot of run a minute, folks. You guys that follow this channel know this one's cold-blooded. really cold-blooded. Well, I didn't see any water shoot out of there or anything. Wasn't hard starting. So it looks, it's going to be a beautiful day today. Guys, we've been having warm days, about 79 degrees for 2 or 3 days. We're getting all this rain with it, of course, and then of course, you know, our grasses, these are growing. So let me ease her on out of here. Well, too cold, isn't it? All right, let's give her some more choke. Yep. I'll back her up with the choke out for a minute, guys. I don't want to run over any locust thorns. And they're everywhere on this place. It looks like a big one blew over right there, blew off of out of the pile maybe. Alright, let's back her on around here. And I'll pull her up here in the sunlight. And I'll look from the down sun side and see what the situation looks like with the gas. So my sign is down there, at least I'll have a sign on one of them. And come on back, guys. I'm going to stop this. I don't want to keep you guys just sitting here watching. You get bored with this, won't you? We got to go up the hill. Good oil pressure, everything's good. So you guys have a great day. We appreciate you. I'm Steve here at Off Grid, Rural Life, Vintage Tractors, Border Collie, yada, 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 yada. You guys have a great day. Come on back tonight, because I'm going to load her up with videos today, and on Fridays is usually when people watch. Appreciate you new subscribers, and definitely appreciate all you old subscribers, and any of you that follow the channel, and it says there's more than 4,000 that watch it that haven't subscribed. We could sure appreciate you guys subscribing. We need 500 more for YouTube to monetize our channel. So appreciate you folks. Like and subscribe and share us with your friends. See ya.